Welcome to Math Mojo. Today we're going to be talking about fractions, more specifically dividing whole numbers by fractions. So step 1, find the reciprocal of the fraction. So for our first example, we have 4 divided by 3 over 4. So this is our fraction right over here, and we need to find our reciprocal of that. So the reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. So this is the fraction that we need. Okay, and then in our next step, what we have to do is multiply the whole number by the fraction's reciprocal. So over here we have our whole number, and this is the reciprocal that we just found, and we need to multiply them. So to multiply this, we multiply the whole number in the numerator straight through. So we get 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, and then our denominator stays the same, which gives us 3. And this is the fraction in its simplest form, so that is our final answer, 16 over 3. Now we have some practice questions, so pause this video and try these examples on your own. So our first question, we have 5 divided by 1 over 4. So we need to find the reciprocal of 1 over 4. So we get 4 over 1. And now we have to multiply our whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. So we get 5 multiplied by 4 over 1. Now we multiply the numerator straight through, so we get 20 over 1 because our denominator stays the same. And now we know that when we have a 1 in our denominator, our fraction turns into a whole number of just our numerator. So our final answer for number 1 is just 20. Now moving on to number 2. We have 14 divided by 7 over 2. So first step that we have to do is change 7 over 2 to its reciprocal. So we get 2 over 7. Our next step is to multiply our whole number by the reciprocal. So 14 multiplied by 2 over 7. And now to multiply this, we just multiply our numerator and our whole number straight through. And that gives us 28 over 7. And now if we divide 28 by 7, that's going to give us 4 as a whole number, not a fraction. So now our final answer for number 2 is just 4. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and click here for the next video, and we'll see you next time.